Welcome to Laura's English Vibe.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Laura's English Vibe. Today we're learning laundry English. Let's get started. Sort the laundry. She sorts the laundry before washing it. Separate light and dark clothes. I separate light and dark clothes before doing the laundry. Check the pockets. She checks the pockets before putting the clothes in the washer. Load the washing machine. She loads the washing machine with dirty clothes. Add laundry detergent. Laura adds laundry detergent before starting the wash. Start the wash. Laura starts the wash after adding the detergent. Take the clothes out. Laura takes the clothes out as soon as the wash is finished. Put the clothes on the drying rack. Laura puts the clothes on the drying rack to dry. Fold the clothes. Laura folds the clothes after they are completely dry. Iron the clothes. Laura irons her clothes before wearing them. Amazing job! Today, you have learned 10 new, useful English phrases. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Subscribe to Laura's English Vibe